black color, blue color, red color, green color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw A, and use black color. A for ant. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for horse. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use blue color. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quill. It's now you draw R and use red color. R for rabbit. S for snack. T for tiger. U for ankle. V for vanilla. W for well. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and use green color. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Blue color, black color, green color, red color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now you draw A and use blue color. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for door. E for egg. F for fan. G for glass. It's now you draw H, and hue is black color. H for helicopter. I for ice. J for jug. K for kite. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now we draw O, and U is green color. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V, and U is red color. V for van. W for watch. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. Z red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, white color, and black color. So kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use red color. O N E 1, T W 2, T H R W 3, F O U R 4, F I V E 5. Kids, now I draw 6 and use the yellow color. S I X 6, S E V E N 7, E I G H D 8, N I N E 9, T E N 10. Kids, now draw 11 and here is blue color. 12, 13, 14, 15. Kids, now I draw 16 and use green color. Seventeen, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.